Hey everyone, welcome to this in-depth review of the Binance Visa Debit Card. Whether you're already using Binance for cryptocurrency or just getting started, today we'll look at everything you need to know before getting this card. We're going to break down the terms of service, explain the card's features, and see how it stacks up against other payment options. First, what exactly is the Binance Visa Debit Card? Simply put, it's a card that lets you spend your cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or BNB, directly from your Binance wallet at any store that accepts Visa. The card automatically converts your crypto into the local currency at the time of purchase. This means you can use your crypto holdings to pay for everyday items without needing to manually convert them to cash beforehand. Now, let's talk about the advantages of the Binance Visa Debit Card. One of the biggest perks is that it offers cashback rewards. Depending on how much BNB, Binance Coin, you hold in your account, you can get up to 8% cashback on eligible purchases. This is a significant benefit for those who are already invested in BNB and regularly use their crypto for transactions. Another advantage is that there are no monthly maintenance fees, and unlike traditional bank cards, there are no foreign transaction fees when you spend abroad. But as with anything, there are also some downsides. The main drawback is the card's dependency on cryptocurrency. If the crypto market takes a downturn, the value of the funds you're spending could decrease significantly. Another thing to keep in mind is that the cashback rewards are paid out in BNB, so you'll need to manage your account and rewards if you prefer to use other cryptocurrencies. In terms of services, the Binance Visa Debit Card integrates seamlessly with your Binance account. You can easily top it up by transferring crypto from your wallet, and the Binance app allows you to track your spending, manage your card, and even freeze or unfreeze it for security purposes. The app is user-friendly and adds a layer of convenience for managing your finances on the go. Cost-wise, the Binance Visa Debit Card is quite competitive. There are no issuance fees, and as mentioned, there are no monthly or foreign transaction fees. However, there are some small fees to keep in mind, such as ATM withdrawal fees after the first free withdrawal each month, so be sure to check the terms for specific rates in your region. To wrap up, the Binance Visa Debit Card offers some great benefits, especially if you're already into crypto and looking for an easy way to spend it. The cashback feature and lack of foreign transaction fees make it attractive for travelers or those who frequently shop online. However, it's important to be aware of the risks associated with cryptocurrency volatility. If you found this review helpful and want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching.